Hi, it's Victor Chang from CaseInterview.com, and today I wanted to introduce you to a topic and a concept that's frequently used in case interviews, that's also frequently used with clients in management consulting. The concept I'm referring to is the idea of something being mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive, otherwise known as MIEXE for short, which is an acronym that you hear a lot in consulting circles. So let me explain what mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive is and when it applies. First, this concept is applied to analyzing data around populations. So this could be all the customers in a particular marketplace that a client is considering entering. This could be all the competitors in a particular industry that's competing with your client. And it's a way of breaking a large population down into categories in a very particular way that has two distinct features, that it's mutually exclusive, as well as collectively exhaustive. So let me teach this concept through an example, because that's the easiest way to learn it. So let's say you're looking at a particular population, perhaps the population of the United States, and you're looking at an age breakdown of that population. So here's an example of a way of breaking down that population that is MIEXE, mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Here we have four different categories of people. People who are aged 0 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, and 61 plus. First of all, this segmentation pattern is mutually exclusive because a single individual in this population can only appear in one of these categories. That is, there's no overlap. So if you're 19 years old, you are only appearing in one of these particular categories. So the categorization structure here is mutually exclusive. You're either in one, which automatically disqualifies you from being in another category. And being mutually exclusive is very good when it comes to doing kinds of analysis like this in management consulting as well as in case interviews. In addition, this segmentation pattern is collectively exhaustive because across all the categories combined, it encompasses 100% of the population that you're trying to look at. So from birth all the way through to death, you are included in here in this segmentation pattern. So this is good. It is MIEXE, mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Now let's look at what it looks like when a chart is not MIEXE, either not mutually exclusive or not collectively exhaustive. So imagine people's hobbies. Let's say you're looking at various hobbies of people in a particular country, such as the United States. And you've broken down this chart into three categories: people who like swimming, people who like cooking, and people who like knitting. Now the problem with this approach is that it's not mutually exclusive. Okay? First of all, I like swimming and I like cooking. So if I were being analyzed as part of this data set, I would appear in more than one category. As a result, this is not mutually exclusive. Incidentally, it's also not collectively exhaustive because my neighbors really like flying, right? They're pilots, they like to fly airplanes, and they're not included in this chart, but they don't like knitting, cooking, or swimming, right? So you always want a chart to be mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Let's look at another example to really illustrate this point. So this is an example of a chart that is mutually exclusive in the sense that one person can only appear in one particular category. But the way this chart is designed and this segmentation scheme is designed, it is not collectively exhaustive because it's missing one category over here. People over the age of 61 are not included in this particular chart. So as a result, all these categories combined are not collectively exhaustive, encompassing the entire population. So the ideal situation to be in is when your segmentation pattern is both mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. For more information on this topic, please visit my website article at caseinterview.com/MIEXE. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified when new videos like this are released. If you have any comments on this video or have any questions I did not cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.